Hello kids, today we are learning E to Z triangular names. So let's start. Orange color, pink color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, white color, orange color, dark green color, black color, blue color, purple color, red color, yellow color, peach pink color, capital letter alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Orange color A. E for apple. Pink color B. B. B for butterfly. Light green color C. C for cat. Brown color D. D for dog. Sky blue color E. E for elephant. Blue color F. F for fish. Red color G. G for grapes. Orange color H. H for hand. Pink color I. I for island. Light green color J. J for jug. Brown color K. K for kite. Sky blue color L. L for lion. Blue color M. M for man. Red color N. N for nose. Orange color O. O for onion. Pink color P. P for peacock. Light green color Q. Q for quiet. Brown color R. R for rose. Sky blue color S. S for sun. Blue color T. T for tiger. Red color U. U for unicorn. Pink color V. V for volcano. Light green color W. W for watermelon. Brown color X. X for xylophone. Sky blue color Y. Y for yak. Blue color Z. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W X Y Z.